So let's find out how to import and export the bot. In this example, we got some elements on the bot like mind map, diagram, image, etc. What we need to do is press the booger here, save to, change the name of file, save to, yeah, it's saved. In this example, if I remove this one and that one and mind map, and I want to open the previous bot, the saved bot. I press the burger, open, load from file. We can see it here, and we're back. Be careful that the previous content of the bot will be removed immediately. So it's better to keep it in mind. But in any chance you can undo, and it will be back. If you don't believe me that it will work with view session, here example. Here is one more session. I'm not a part of, so that's the different sessions with different content. You can see that. Same way, save to, save file. You can see it here. Oh, sorry. No, that's not you. That's not you. Okay, and I will move this one to here. Just a drag and drop. It will work on Windows, on Mac OS, and Linux, everywhere. Just drag and drop it here, and we can see the content of the bot. Oh, okay.